My name is Nicki Hurlbert, and I teach Baking and Pastry Arts here at WRHS High School. So I went to ETSU, and I got my bachelor's degree in actually merchandising with a minor in marketing, so it has nothing to do with baking and pastry. But, and I decided that I did not want to pursue that option, so I actually went back and got my master's degree in education with a focus on culinary arts. I also went to Appalachian State and to Iowa State to complete the culinary arts certification that I have. And then I have went since then and have gotten my EDS in administration, so I could be an assistant principal at some point. After college, I actually have worked at several restaurants, worked in front of the house, back of the house, expediter, all those things. And then I got a job at Sullivan South High School. I was there for 19 years teaching culinary arts. All right, the differences between South and Westridge. Our facilities here are amazing. I have lots of opportunity to pursue what I actually enjoy most, and that's baking. And the lab that we have, the kitchen that we have here, is set up exactly for a baking and pastry kitchen. At South, I had great facilities, but some of the things were a little outdated. Here, we've got brand new things, we've got brand new equipment. The students here have a great opportunity to learn firsthand on what it's actually like to be in a commercial kitchen, and our classroom is set up for that. In Baking and Pastry 1, we do the basics. They have created different types of yeast breads, like a basic yeast breads, yeast rolls. They've done cookies, they're currently working on pies, and we will be introducing cake decorating here in a few weeks. Baking and Pastry 2, we will be learning a little bit more about the specialty breads, and we'll go over tarts, and we are going to go into more depth with the cake decorating. So we'll be using fondant, and they'll be learning different icing techniques. In Baking and Pastry 3, it's going to be a lot more advanced. We are going to do a sugar sculptures. We're going to go over the different cake decorating techniques, and they are going to produce a lot more difficult cakes and creations. They'll get to be, Baking and Pastry 3 is going to be more creative. So it's going to rely solely on their creativity and how well they can use all the information that they've learned in Baking and Pastry 1 and 2. Baking and Pastry Arts here at Westridge is an awesome class to take. We cook pretty much every day. I should say we bake every day. And the students get to take their creations home. They have taken lots of cookies, pies, cakes, you name it, and they will actually take it home with them. We also supply the baked items for the cafe that is run upstairs, and it's just an awesome class to take.